Today, I'm sharing 100% an effective and natural remedy for large pores and blackheads. We will need half of a cucumber. Grate it and squeeze the juice. Please subscribe to my channel. Cucumbers help to cleanse the skin and tighten pores. Please press the like button. One tablespoon cucumber juice. 1 teaspoon tomato juice. Tomatoes work as a natural astringent that help shrink open pores and reduce blackheads. If you like video, please like, subscribe, comment and share with your family and friends. Mix it well. One tablespoon yogurt. A pinch of turmeric powder. Mix all the ingredients very well. Apply on your skin and gently massage for few minutes. Leave it for 20 minutes, then wash with cold water. Apply 3 times in a week. Continue until you will get desired results. Thanks for watching.